Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge your headphones Audeze Maxwell with using your phone. Basically, all you want to have is a cable USB-C to USB-C, but if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So connect the cable to your phone and the second one to your headphones. And right here at the top we have a LED light, so it means that it's charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!